The Daily Code Snippet. A CSS rule has two parts, a selector and a declaration. These rules govern how the content of the specified HTML elements are displayed. Selectors show which HTML elements to which the rule applies. A rule can be applied to more than one element if the element names are separated by commas. Declarations indicate how the elements referred to in the selector should be styled. In this example, the rule states that all P elements should be shown in Helvetica. CSS declarations consist of two parts, a property and a value, separated by a colon. Several properties can be specified in one declaration, each separated by a semicolon. Properties indicate the aspects of the element you want to change. Example: color, font, width, height, and border. Values specify the settings you want to use for the chosen properties. In this example, the rule states that all H1, H2, and H3 elements should be shown in the Helvetica typeface in a blue color. Presented by Designers Learn Code.